back with another video. Today we're going to be making bean tostadas, but with a twist. We're going to be making them outside. Wait for me. Let's get started. Last but not least, we're going to be doing our cheese. We use Monster just because that's the cheese that my family likes, but feel free to use whatever you want. Okay guys, so let's take our stuff outside. We're gonna need the aceite tortillas, more aceite, your chicken, your frijoles, your salt, and your spoons. Okay guys, so we're going to be frying our tostadas. You can buy the ones that are already made, but I like to fry my own. For the beans, I ended up buying the store one that's already made. Just because it's a Monday, I was feeling a little lazy. I wanted something quick and easy. But you can make your own. So we're gonna go ahead and get ready and smash our beans. Done with our beans, so now we gotta warm up our chicken. Put a little bit of oil, throw our chicken in, and we're just gonna warm it up, guys, since the chicken's already cooked. Okay. Okay guys, let's go ahead and make our tostadas. So let's put a little bit of beans. I don't like a lot of beans. Our second one. Oh, that's hot. Okay, let's do our lechuga. Get my second one. Let's do our tomato. Our tomate. Let's do our aguacate. Put a little bit of salt. Make from de mi casa a su casa. Provecho.